What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting back into doing some videos. I'm James, and this is JFab Mini Trucks, previously known as JFB Mini Trucks. If you want to reach out to me, if you have any comments or concerns, you can always hit me up on Instagram at lunchmoney_530. I'd be more than happy to answer questions quicker. There's also more content on that, as that's my Instagram for my mini truck and what we do on that side. But today, what are we doing Wednesday? We got a bunch of, not a bunch, but we got a few parts in for the Scion back here, and we're gonna go through what we're gonna do and start taking some footage when we're doing it. Here we go. We're gonna show you the parts. So we have a 2007 WRX lip that we are going to put on the bottom. You do have to cut off about 6 inches off each side. We will be mounting that to the lower lip of the stock bumper. We also have a roof rack. This one was like $160 on eBay, I think. So we will be doing an install video on all this stuff right here, and we also have the button for the wiper delete on the rear. We previously just put coilovers on this, so we will definitely be removing that. I cleaned up all the decals off of this. This is my business vehicle. We are just trying to revamp it and do something else with it. I've had it for 3 years. It is a 2004 Scion XB. When I got it, it was bone stock. I threw an exhaust on it, and 3 years later, I put some wheels on it. We just lowered it. I do have the hood carbon fiber wrapped. We're going to be redoing that. Roof rack we're putting on. Just a little walk around of it. Sorry, it's a little close. But 2004 Scion XB, it's a 5-speed. That's why I bought it. I've loved these little cars, and now I am going to be putting some work in it. We will be changing the headlights soon, the grill, and just upgrading it as we go. And I'm just going to be trying to take as much footage as possible of it. And we will be having merch for sale, like the hat that I'm wearing. We'll have hoodies, stickers, t-shirts, and all that good stuff. So this is what we're doing Wednesday, installing stuff. Alright guys, so today we're going to be starting on the roof rack for the Scion XB. This is just a $153, $160 roof rack off eBay. It says it'll fit the Scions. I did notice that it came with different lengths and widths of those pieces right there for the ends. It goes based on the width of above your door, and we're going to get into it, putting it together. So here we go. All right, guys. So I'm having help with this to put it on. I'm sure you could do it by yourself, but it's definitely easier with two people. I'm just gonna loosen these up real quick. And there you go. Roof rack is installed. Pretty simple. Alright guys, so pretty simple deal we got going on here. There's a bunch of little clips. It's hard to see, but there's a bunch of little clips all along this pad right here. A body tool works just great. I'm pretty much not even going to record any of this because it's going to be super simple. Once we pull the panels off of here, you take one bolt out, you disconnect the wiper, and you plug it. Fairly simple, and then you just do the reverse and put this panel right back in. Alright, so the next step is to take this 10mm bolt off right here. And then unclip this. This should come out. We got this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. We're gonna take out real quick. Number one. Number two. Number three. Now, if you come around on this side, we're gonna just unplug it real quick. Just like so. Actually, I need to shut this down real quick. Pop this loose. You should actually do this first before you take those three out. Now I'm gonna pull on that a little bit, spin it around, open this back up. I'm holding on to this because I know it's gonna fall if I let it go. Alright, now it'll just come right out. Fold this back down for a second. Take this out. All right, here's the new one. Super simple. It just plugs right in here. Shove that rubber in there. I believe this is for a Honda Civic, Accord. If you just put this Scion XB rear wiper delete, it'll bring up Honda ones. It's the same size. Now I'm gonna pull this open real quick and check the inside. Make sure we got a good seal on that, which we do. And now all we have to do is put this back in with our clips, and then we're done. So here is a before look, and here's the day after with the delete. Alright guys, so we're running out of time today. We're not going to get the lip on at the moment because I'm going to have to take the whole bumper off. Izzy wants to be part of the shot. So we will get to this next Wednesday. And I think it's going to look pretty good on here. We're just going to have to mount it somehow. I might have to adjust the coilovers according to this lip, how low it will be to the ground. But I'm just trying to have this scrape instead of the stock bumper. This lip was off of a 2007 WRX, Subaru WRX. You have to get the right lip because there's a couple of them. This one's just like a urethane one. It was like 70 bucks on eBay. But I saw another guy do this, so I'm gonna do it as well. I believe you have to cut off 6 inches on the end. We'll cap that in also. But appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you'd like, comment down below if you would like to see more stuff done. I think we're gonna do the hood actuators soon as well. But thanks for watching and have a great day.